covering getting the app onto an Android phone here. So if you come in and take a picture of that bottom QR code, should give you a link on there. Just when you open your camera one, you can see that's the app there. We'll install that. Then you just want to turn it actually on. So just turn the main switch on, and so the display would actually be showing something. Press open the app. Make sure to give it access to like all these things. Choose a device. Device is connected. There you go. Are coming in. So that's how easy it is to hook it up. What could go wrong is that you didn't say okay to let it to check things out. If that is the case, just actually go and delete the app off your phone and not re-download it from the Play Store.